We're either in it or we're on the brink of going into the recession.
Are you expecting a recession this year?
I hate to predict things like that.
So we're heading into a recession, and this is how you can make millions of dollars by taking advantage of high-ticket dropshipping in 2025. Now, this is the same method that I used in the 2022 recession to make millions of dollars with my high-ticket dropshipping stores. So if you're hearing the word recession and you're panicking, there's no need, because this is the best opportunity you're going to get to make loads of money with Ecom. Now, let's start off, guys, by talking about what is a recession. For those that don't know, a recession is when the economy slows down big time, people spend less, businesses earn less, jobs get cut, and everything feels doomsy. Now, that isn't the technical term for a recession. The technical boring term is 2 quarters of negative GDP. Basically, the economy is slowing down. That's really what a recession is. Now, the reason for this recession is because of the Trump tariffs are making things more expensive and because of the interest rates. Now, the most important thing to understand, guys, is how consumer psychology changes towards buying products online for us as e-com and dropshippers. So as long as you understand the changes in consumers, then you will be able to make life-changing money. So these are the most profitable niches during 2025 recession: budget-friendly essentials, home and comfort, self-care, baby and kids essential, mental health, digital products, pet essentials, and health and wellness. So let me show you guys a winning recession dropshipping product. So this is it here, a professional 7-in-1 pro pet grooming kit. So why do you guys think this could be a winning product? It's because it stops people having to go to the groomers and paying hundreds of dollars every single time they go. Instead, they can buy our pet grooming kit and they can start doing it from home. Because people take their pets to the groomers every month. So if you look at it over a year, that's 12 times. And if they're spending between $50 and $100, they're spending almost $1,000 a year getting their pet groomed. So the reason why I believe this is an amazing recession-proof product is because this is going to help people save money from home, and they're going to want to make sure that their loved pets are going to get cared for and get groomed. So this, in my opinion, is the ideal product. So now I want to show you guys my Shopify dropshipping store selling that pet grooming vacuum, because I want to show you the way that I'm trying to advertise it to the consumer and the psychology tricks that I'm playing. So as you guys can see here, this is the store. It's called Pour Vac, and it says Groom and Vacuum Pro Kit. But you guys can see on the first image here, it says Groom and Vacuum, avoid consistent trips to the groomer. Then it shows what it costs to use our grooming kit versus what it costs to go and visit a groomer. So 5 hours spent, $75 using ours, it's 0.5 hours spent, and this is how much it costs. Then if we look at the product cost that I'm selling it for $100 more than what it costs to buy. So it's a high ticket product. I'm making $100, guys. Now you might be thinking that's a lot of money to charge people for this product. But if we go to Gpt, I've done a little bit of research and I've asked it, what is the average spend people spend on going to the groomers per year? You can see in the UK, it's around about $800 if you convert that to dollars. And in the US, it's around about $720 per year. So if they buy my vacuum grooming kit for, let's say, hypothetically $180, they're saving hundreds of dollars a year by buying my vacuum. And that's the point that I need to get across in this website. Now you can see here, I've done a bundle called the No More Grooming Bills bundle. So you can see here, I've said a 3-year warranty, vacuum, pet paw trim kit, and the ultimate grooming book. This is my all-in-one solution for basically getting your pet groomed at home, and that's going to now take my average order value to around about $220, which is adding $40 to my original price. And look, I've put here save over $1,000 a year. So I'm trying to explain to the consumer that you're saving money by doing this. So they're going to now think, instead of buying this product, oh, I'm spending money, I'm actually saving money. So that's the mindset that I want people to have when they're buying my products. Instead of them looking at this as I'm spending money, I'm actually saving them money. Then you can see the next part of my website says the smarter way to groom when it comes to saving. And then it shows here why Groom and Vacuum Pro Kit is better than the salon. And it shows here my store annual cost, pet comfort, convenience, and cost per session. So that's how you want to try and advertise your product on your Shopify dropshipping site, guys, or on your e-commerce site. You want to try and explain to the consumer that you're helping them during this recession. You don't need to say recession on your website. You just need to tell them that obviously things have gone up in price. You're trying to help them save money. And as long as you're putting statistical facts on your site by using ChatGPT like I did, you're going to win trust with them. So guys, before we move on to the next part of today's video, I want to give a massive shout out to today's sponsor, which is .store domain. Now, with every dropshipping store or e-commerce store that you build, you're always going to need a domain name, and there's no better domain name to get than a .store domain. Now, a .store domain name is your brand's identity that's going to enable you to sell more online. Now, there's some really good benefits to having a .store domain name over any other extension. Now, a detailed study shows that websites with a .store domain name get 87% more visitors than any other extension because it's easier to search for. It gives you that professional edge that tells your customer exactly what you're trying to do, which is sell them a product because it's a .store domain. Now, here's another really cool thing. By using a .store domain name on your website, you can even decrease your ad costs up to 12%. So if you're serious about getting some sales on your e-commerce or dropshipping store, then you need to get a .store domain name. Now, if you use my exclusive link, you can get your domain for just 99 cents. So make sure you click the link in the description and in the pinned comment to get your .store domain name, and let's get straight back into today's video. Now, that's just my Shopify dropshipping site. I want to show you the image ads that I've also made for this product. So you can see here it says, stop overpaying for dog grooming, start saving every single session. And then it shows the vacuum and how much they're saving. The next image shows groom smarter and cheaper in 2025, save over $500 every year, and then it goes over more information. Now I want to show you guys my video ad that I'd be running on Facebook for this product. So listen to it very carefully.
Love your dog, but hate the fur everywhere and the $80 grooming bill every month. Let's be real, with prices rising across the board, even your dog's haircut feels like a luxury now. The cost, stress, time, and over $1,000 a year if you groom regularly. That's why smart pet parents are...
Now, within those 15 seconds, guys, look at all of that powerful information we've been able to explain to the consumer now watching that video. Does it feel like pet grooming is now a luxury? Do you want to save $80 every time you go to the groomers? We're explaining to them the real reality of it, and then we're telling them that this is now the solution and how they can save money. And as long as you portray yourself like that through your images, videos like I'm showing you, you're going to win people over very quickly. Now, if you want to get access to this asset drive so you can look at the way I've done it, once we hit 500 likes, it will be in the cheat sheet. So guys, now I've shown you a live example of the kind of product that you should try and sell during a recession for dropshipping and e-commerce. Now I'm going to show you how you can find winning products in the recession. Now, the best way to do this, guys, is to head over to my ChatGPT product research tool that's completely free to use that I'll leave linked in the description, and ask it for a recession-proof product, and then it will give you a load of a list of the different niches and the different categories that you can sell. Now, once it gives you this list, you can ask it to send me a full list of products that suit these niches, and then it will give you for each one of the niches an example of the kind of products and why they're good to sell during a recession. Now, it's given me the home and fitness niche as an option to sell during a recession because people want to save money on going to the gym. So I might want to look at the options that it's given me: resistance bands, yoga mats, and stuff like this. Go to an ad spy tool like Mini. Mini is my favorite ad spy tool. Go to the search bar and type in fitness. Then I'm going to filter it by total ad sets. Now, by me filtering it by total ad sets, it's going to be showing me the winning Facebook ads for the fitness niche on Facebook. Now, at the moment, it's showing me gym wear. Now, I'm not interested in that because it's not really a recession kind of thing. But I found this product here where it shows a woman doing boxing from home. So you can see here, it's this device on the wall and she's punching it as it glows up. And you can see that there's loads of other ads being ran for the same product. And you can see lots of money are being spent on these ads and there is a lot of views for them. Now, this is a great recession product because it meets everything that I've explained to you guys today. Now, if I click on the link, it's now going to show me the website selling it, and it's also going to show me the exact product that's being sold. So once I click on this, so now I've clicked on the ad, it's going to give me all of the information that I need to know. So it's going to give me the information on what the description is, the destination link, but most importantly, the shop that's currently selling it. It's also going to tell me the exact product. So if I click on this, it's going to show me the website that's selling it, and it will give me the suppliers that are also selling this product that I can sell. It's also telling me that there's 1,600 other ads being ran for this product. So you can see them here. Now, if I go to see product, you can see somebody selling this product here on the website for £128, which is around about $150. So it meets what I just said to you guys, which is a high ticket product. Now, if we look at the way that this website's trying to sell this product, you can see here they're not trying to sell it in a recession way. They're not explaining that it saves you money instead of going to the gym, paying for a PT, personal trainer. It's not going over any of that. So although there's a lot of competition selling this product, that's the way we're going to beat them, because they're not talking about saving money doing it from home. So that's where we can actually beat them in the marketing way. And you can see here, guys, I found the exact same AliExpress product and it's around about $40 and 5,000 of them have been sold. So that's perfect for us as a drop shipper looking to make good margins. Now, once you find a product that you like the look of based on using the ad spy tool to find a product based on what the Ecom King product research GBT model gave you, then you can come back to the GBT and say, put it through the Ecom King research test, give it the link of the product or the name, and then it will run my research check on it to make sure that it's a good product. Then you can see the final verdict score is high potential, and you can see here it gives you a summary of why the product is good. Now, because the final scoreboard came back so positive, this gives me the confidence to sell this right now in a recession economy. So it's as easy as that when it comes to finding winning recession-proof products. Now, I've made your guys' lives even easier when it comes to building your Shopify landing pages in terms of the copywriting to get the point across about saving money with the products that you're selling. Now, if you come over to the Ecom King High CTR Copywriter GBT that I'll leave linked in the description and in the cheat sheet, you can see here it says, make me a product page. Then you say, here is the product, and then you give the link to the product and you say, I want to talk about saving money by buying this product instead of paying for one-to-one sessions and a gym membership. And just like this, it's giving me the info that I need for my website. It says here, hit a header block, train like a pro without the gym fee, skip the commitment, ditch the coach, you're all-in-one smart trainer. Then it says here, boxing gyms are expensive, private coaching's even worse, tired of paying $200 a month by hitting the crowded gym. And then it goes over why they should buy our product. So it does all of it for us, explaining what they can save, how this product's so beneficial for them. So just like that, guys, by using my AI CTR copywriter, it's going to do the hard work for you. So guys, before we move into the next part of today's video, I've got a huge announcement that I couldn't hold back, that I know every single one of you wanted to hear, which is I'm now offering a free e-commerce and dropshipping mentoring. You've heard me correctly. It is 100% free to participate and join. All you've got to do is follow the link in the top of the description and in the pinned comment and join the Ecom King Vault. So what you guys can expect from the mentorship for completely free is we've built a custom built software to teach you in. So we've not gone out there and used School or Kajabi. We've built our own software that's cost us over $30,000 to build that will enable us to tailor teach you within the software. Now, to sign up to the vault, it will only take you 10 minutes, and I've even given you step-by-step video guide in the app so you can follow it along and get inside of the mentorship. Now, you're also going to be getting a full course, so it's going to be around about 8 hours long. Each episode has resources, cheat sheets. You've also got a private Discord community. We even do live calls between once and twice a month. So you're getting basically group mentoring for completely free. It does cost us a lot of money to run the vault and manage it, as we're having to pay for staff and we're having to pay for the software to keep using it. But I do believe that it will change a lot of people's lives if they take action with all the methods and teachings that we offer. With that being said, guys, let's get straight back into today's video. Now I want to talk about making your Facebook ad material, like your image ads and your video ads, and for TikTok. Now you want to use the same style that I use for the pet grooming kit, where you're explaining about saving money, tired of spending money at the groomers. The same way for that boxing product, I could say you fed up going to the boxing gym that you're paying lots of money for that are crowded. Are you fed up of paying for one-to-one sessions? You just need to basically incorporate that into your ad. So as long as you can do that, it's easy to do. Now, I'm not going to be showing you in this video how to create Facebook video ads or TikTok video ads. I've made loads of videos on that. You just need to bear in mind, use the same type of copywriting that you use for the Shopify store in your ad angle, and that's all you have to do. So when you get a voiceover script made, you just need to tell it to make it in a way where it talks about saving money. And again, you can use the Ecom King's viral ad UGC script maker to do that for you. Now, the last thing that I want to touch on is making sure that you've got the right payment methods available for when we're in a recession type of environment. So you want to try and make sure that you've got like a buy now, pay later system set up, because customers will try and go towards those during these times. So you've got things like Klarna and ClearPay where it allows people to buy now but pay later. Those are really good to have on your store, especially during these times. So make sure you try and get access to one of those guys, because it will increase your conversion rates. But with that being said, guys, in terms of dropshipping and e-commerce during a recession, everything stays the same. It's just the language that you're putting across towards the consumer. You're trying to correlate, you're trying to resonate with them when it comes to life being expensive and helping them save money. In terms of running Facebook ads, TikTok ads, that all remains the same. It's just the language that you're trying to convey with the end-to-end consumer. But with that being said, guys, that's how you can get rich during the 2025 recession. Make sure you adjust accordingly if you don't want to be left behind. And let me know what you thought of this video in the comment section below.